वेलकम बैक. दिस इज मी अर्शी और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप कैट कॉलेजेस. कैट के नोटिफिकेशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. 3rd August इज द डेट टू register yourself for CAT 2026. 15 September is the last date. But what all colleges you will be getting through CAT, that I'm going to discuss in this episode. So right from tiers, cutoff fees and the median packages. So we're going to start this video with the very first list of colleges. अब यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, these are elite tier 1 colleges which include IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, FMS and SPJIMR, right? So these are again the elite one top MBA colleges in India. If you look at the cutoff, IIM Ahmedabad 99.6, IIM Bangalore 99.5 plus, IIM Calcutta 99.5 plus, FMS 98.5 plus, and SPJIMR is 98.5 plus. Now if I talk about all these colleges, FMS is one of those colleges जिसकी fees lowest है and it is the ROI king. If you look at the fee structure, it's an expensive excluding FMS जिसकी फीस 2,43,000 है. बाकी आपको 26, 27, 24 लाख के ब्रैकेट में इन सभी के मीडियन पैकेजेस, एवरेज पैकेजेस प्लस 30 लाख रुपीस के हैं. सो दीज वर द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस. इसमें मुझे लगता है अगर आप अदर देन कैट बात करें तो एक्सेलराई जमशेदपुर और ऐड हो जाएगा. बट एज वी आर स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग थ्रू कैट एग्जामिनेशन, दीज आर द tier 1 category of colleges. Now moving to the second list of colleges, which is tier 1B, right, 1.5 or whatever you can call it. So we have IIM Lucknow, which is again the older IIMs, which is quite hectic college, especially for academics. IIM Calcutta is the chill one kind of, right? We have IIM Mumbai, which was earlier known as NITI Mumbai. We have MDI Gurgaon in this list. We have IIT Bombay, which is Shaliji Mehta School of Management, and we have IFT Delhi. I personally feel like there should be few more colleges under this, which is IIM Kozhikode and Indore. You can also keep this in the list, but they might be in the next slides for sure. So if you look at the cutoff, right from 99 plus percentile to 98 percentile to 95, 98.5 and 96.5. So if you look at the average packages of all these colleges, only IIM Lucknow has an average package of 32 lakh. Rest all the colleges comes under 26, 27 lakh, excluding IIM Mumbai, which is also again 31 lakh rupees. So if you look at the average packages, obviously even MDI, IIT Bombay, IFT से ज़्यादा बेहतर packages IIM Indore and IIM Kozhikode के होंगे. But these are again the category of colleges. Now again, if we'll move to the next slide, which is again the list of colleges. So we have few options which are cap options, but I think I just wanted to take it to the next slide. यहाँ पे हम 2 colleges और होने चाहिए थे, which includes IIM Indore and Kozhikode, whatever you can call it. So this should also be in the list of colleges. I think might be writing के time पे skip हो गया. Because if you look at their average packages also, it's quite similar, right? And अगर आप Black Keys में Black Kim देखो तो it stands for Bangalore, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Kozhikode, Indore, and then we have IIM Mumbai, right? So these are the older IIMs in the list. Then हमारे पास IIT Bombay है, MDI है, IFT है, and निटी मुंबई है. ये कॉलेजेस यहाँ पे ही होने चाहिए थे. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. अब हम आते हैं tier 2 कैटेगरी में. IIM उदयपुर, ट्रिची, रांची, IMT गाजियाबाद. देयर आर सो मेनी मोर कॉलेजेस. आई विल आल्सो गिव यू स्मॉल एग्जांपल. एक और एक चीज़ होती है व्हेन इट कम्स टू tier 1 कैटेगरी. जब आप कॉलेजेस में जाते हो तो केस स्टडीज कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, एंड उन केस स्टडीज कॉम्पिटिशन्स में स्पेसिफिकेशन होते हैं कि सिर्फ इसी कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. एंड सम ऑफ द केस स्टडीज कॉम्पिटिशन्स आर लाइक जहाँ पे सिर्फ IIM अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कैलकटा, NMIMS एंड SPJN जैसे कॉलेजेस पार्टिसिपेट कर पाते हैं. लखनऊ जैसे और बहुत सारे बेबी IIMs, न्यू IIMs आते ही नहीं हैं, तो दे डोंट इवन गेट अ चांस. सो अगेन दीज आर द फ्यू लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस विच इज़ लाइक IIM Udaipur, Trichy, Ranchi, Raipur, IMT गाजियाबाद. इफ यू लुक एट देयर एवरेज पैकेज, फीस कुछ भी हो 18 लिख रखा है, बट आई थिंक ये सारे ब्रैकेट वाले कॉलेजेस कम्स अंडर 15-16 लाख का एवरेज पैकेज. whatever they claim for, that what I'm saying, when you're looking for colleges, it really plays a very important role to get the real placements, because sometimes colleges just brags. The reality is all total different, and for that, you just have to subscribe to my channel, because here you'll be getting all those latest update which you'll not be getting on the websites. Also नीचे WhatsApp community का link है, जो information यहाँ नहीं मिलती वो WhatsApp community पे मिलती है, so don't forget to join in. So moving to the next slide, which is the list of colleges, is again the baby and options. IIM Nagpur, Maika, Sambalpur, IIMI Delhi, Tapmi, and accordingly, you have so many more options what you can look for. So if I talk about domain-wise, finance, IIT Bombay, IIM Calcutta. The top pickup is IIM Calcutta, the backup is IIT Bombay. Marketing, SPJN, AIMR, right? Backup is Maika Ahmedabad. Operations, supply chain, IIM Mumbai, backup KMD, IIM Udaipur. Now, if I talk about, healthcare, GYM Goa, and backup can be IIM Jammu. So these are some specialization-wise colleges. Now, what to do? Lock your registration before 15 September. Pick 3 dream colleges from Tier 1. Pick 2 backups from Tier 2. Set daily mock goals around these percentiles. And stay tuned for honest, unbiased college review. So this is me, Arshika, signing off. Milte ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.